Welcome to Plain Simple English. If you've ever struggled to speak English confidently, you're not alone. Many people spend years studying the language, but still feel hesitant when it's time to talk. Today, we're going to explore why that happens and how you can overcome it. Imagine this: you know grammar rules, you can read, and you might even ace exams. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank, and your tongue feels heavy. The secret to speaking English naturally lies not just in your mind, but in training your mouth. Think about how you learned to ride a bike. You didn't just read a manual, you practiced, fell, and tried again. Speaking English is the same way. It's not about how much you know, it's about how much you practice speaking. To speak English with confidence, you need to train your mouth, not just your mind. Let's uncover the biggest mistake many English learners make. Most believe fluency comes from knowledge alone, but fluency is a physical skill. It resides in the muscles of your mouth, lips, tongue, and voice. When you practice speaking, you build muscle memory. Just like athletes warm up before a game, you need to practice speaking until it feels natural. Now, think about how children learn their first language. They don't study grammar, they repeat, imitate, and copy sounds until it feels effortless. This is the same approach you should take. Stop waiting for the perfect sentence to form in your head. Start speaking small sentences out loud repeatedly until your mouth feels comfortable. Now, let's get practical with some daily speaking exercises. Step 1. The shadowing technique. Choose a short English audio clip, like a podcast or movie dialogue. Play a few seconds, listen carefully, then repeat immediately. Copy the rhythm, intonation, and speed. Your goal is imitation, not perfection. Step 2. Daily repetition sentences. Pick 5 useful sentences, such as, "I'd like a cup of coffee," or "Could you help me with this?" Say each sentence multiple times, slowly and clearly, every morning. Within weeks, these sentences will flow from your mouth effortlessly. Step 3. Record and review. Take your phone and record yourself speaking English for just 1 minute. Listen to it afterward. At first, you might feel shy, but this is a powerful way to improve. You'll hear your mistakes and your progress, which will boost your confidence. Step 4. Think aloud. Practice speaking to yourself throughout the day. For example, while cooking, say, "I'm cutting the vegetables," or "Now, I'm boiling water." This habit connects English directly with your actions, breaking the fear of speaking. Step 5. Conversation loops. Choose a simple question, like, "What do you do on weekends?" Answer it in different ways to give your mouth flexibility. This way, when someone asks you a question, you'll have natural responses ready. You might be wondering, what if I still feel nervous? That's completely normal. Confidence isn't something you wait for, it's something you build. Your brain may think in your native language, but your mouth is learning a new rhythm. Accept small mistakes as part of the process. Don't stop mid-sentence, keep talking. Confidence comes from the courage to continue, and every mistake shows you're training your mouth. Remember, fluency is not just in your head, it's on your tongue. When you focus solely on grammar and vocabulary, you're training your mind. Real fluency comes when you give your mouth the workout it needs. So, shadow native speakers, repeat daily sentences, record yourself, think aloud, and create conversation loops. These small habits will build muscle memory, leading to natural fluency. Imagine yourself 6 months from now, speaking smoothly and confidently without hesitation. That's the power of training your mouth. So don't just learn English, live it, speak it, and feel it flow. Always remember, confidence doesn't come from silence, it comes from practice. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Plain Simple English for more tips. Share it with someone who also wants to speak English confidently. And let me know in the comments which speaking practice you'll start today. Together, let's keep training our mouths and make English our second nature.